Hey everyone, Malit here from ZapDigits, and today we have a new product update. Let me walk you through all the product updates, and after that I will dive into some of these updates. We have custom domains now. You can connect your own domain, and you can visualize the dashboards with your own domain without going to ZapDigits. And we have some more branding features that you can change colors and background colors of cards, and background color of page, and color of metrics and text and titles. And then we have new data visualization feature. So basically now you can add your own data. You can either upload from CSV or connect your Google Sheet, and or just manually update your data, and then you can visualize it and update the data. And this is something great, that instead of using a Google Sheet, you can directly use it and also add this to your dashboard. And then we have embedded analytics, that you can embed our analytics into your platform. And we also have templates, so you can click on one template and already see your dashboard and connect your data sources and start from there, so you don't have to manually build the whole dashboard from scratch. Data side, we also have Google Ads now and Google Sheet. And then we also worked on some improvement, like we had some issues with loading the dashboard, taking too long, and we worked on that. And we fixed a bunch of other issues that related to metrics. On the marketing side, we also have extended free trial. Before it was only 4 days, now we have free trial of 1 week. So let me get into some of these features. So first thing is custom domain. Let me go into the platform. So here we have a branding section now. And now you can select colors of your different sections, titles and chart colors, and it will change accordingly. And then when you share your dashboard, it will have the colors that you choose here. You have custom domain here, so you can add your data.yourdomain.com and request the domain. Then once you get approved, and you can share your dashboard with your own domain. If you go to dataset, now we have these 3 options, actually 4 with the API. This feature was already there. You can send data via our API, but you can now upload a CSV or copy paste data, and you can connect to your Google Sheet. So just to show you an example, I will upload a CSV. I have so I'm going to give a name, D-room, for example, and then I'm gonna upload. I have a sample. So I have this CSV of a lot of rows. I think it's close to 300 rows, and I'm gonna open it, and you can see a quick preview here. I'm gonna import it. It's not a perfect CSV. There are some issues, but we can fix it later. And so once you in here, so you uploaded one data set, so you can add another data set. But so right now this is what we uploaded. You can open it now. So this is how it looks like when you open the data set, and you have all the data in this table view. And on the right side you can select a chart. So by default we have selected the table, and you can of course customize a lot of things, that you can remove columns and do filtering and show whatever you need, and then finally add this metric to the dashboard that you have. So also you can filter things like this. So for example, we have Melissa here with a lot of deal closed, but you can filter like this on the table on the left side. And also you can either filter this out and get how many deals closed by Melissa here in the right side. For example, if you click on the number, and here you have the data sets, and I can select deal closed, total, and filter the column name. So as you can see, you have the result here. And now if you want this, you can add this to one of the dashboards. So you can select the dashboard you want to add, and it will be added to your dashboard. Same way you can select any other charts and tables, so any other metrics. This is about it on the data visualization. Of course, there are a lot of other use cases, like you can edit this table, and you can download CSV for other users. Or like, for example, if you go back and you can create a new data set with, for example, expenses, and here you can create your own custom data set. So for example, ID, type, service name, service, and cost. So for example, this one ID, paid service, let's say DJ, $200 for example. If you can also import this data set like this, and now you can see the expenses here. Now you can open it, and now you can use this as a normal table. You can add more rows to it. That's about it for the data set. So if you go to analytics here, we have a share button here. Now you can enable public sharing, and you can share with a link, or you can copy the embed code here. And also we have a tab, SEO tab here. Now it's included in the analytics now, instead of having a separate module. And if you scroll down, there's another extra feature that we didn't mention yet, is AI traffic. Now you can find where user come from, if they are coming from some AI chatbot like a ChatGPT or Gemini. And the next feature is we have templates. So basically now when you start the new project, you can either connect your data sources or you can use a template. So if you click here, use a template, here we have few templates. We are going to keep adding new templates. And for example, Facebook ads or SaaS dashboard, you can just basically click use template. And just like that, it will create the data template for you. And then of course we have new data sources, and it's Google Ads and Google Sheet. These are two new data sources we added last few weeks. And that's about it for now. But we are also working on new features like a multi-account connection. So for example, if you have a data sources with multiple accounts, for example, YouTube accounts, so you can, instead of creating a new project for each account, you can connect multiple accounts on the same project. So this is something we are working on right now. And thank you for watching.